Hey, how's it going? And today we're going to be exploring emissive materials in Unreal Engine 5. The reason I was interested in this is it really creates a unique and almost surreal lighting effect that I think has a lot of application. So just to kind of show you what we'll be creating is something like this environment here where I can go to F11 on this. It's just a really unique lighting effect that really creates kind of a surreal effect, and so I just think it has a lot of potential for art and all kinds of things. So it's really a glowing luminosity effect. So anyway, much like the badges in the center of the mannequin's chest. So anyway, I'll get right into it in just a minute. Hey, we're back. Now this should hopefully only take about 10 minutes, no more than that, and I won't be creating an exact replication of this, but something very, very similar to it. So I'm going to go ahead and start from scratch just to show you every step along the way, and we'll just go into the third person here, and I'm not going to save that. And again, it just takes a minute to load up. Hopefully they'll change this screen. I've been looking at it a lot. Okay, so just so we have something to look at on the scene, I'm going to go into character mannequin, and we'll just get, I guess we'll get Quinn, and we'll just drag the idle animation over here, somewhere close to the player start. And then to really get the full effect of this, we really need to have like a roof. So I'm just going to click on the wall over here, and I'm going to press, I scoot out a little bit here. If I press Alt, I can just make a copy of this. Let's zoom out again, make another copy, and then if I hit the space bar, I can turn it this way just to kind of create a roof, and then I hit space bar again and again, hit Alt, and then I can drag. So we're creating kind of an interior location. So we have that, and then while I'm at it, I might as well go get some cubes, unadulterated cubes, and I'm going to just drag these onto the scene. And this one, I guess we could stretch it up to kind of make it look like a pillar or something like that. And I can just get another one just for good measure. Okay, and hit the space bar just to reposition. So those will be our luminosity objects or whatever. And that should take care of that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and kill all the lights in the scene. So let me just close up a lot of this so I don't have so much stuff up here. And we're going to get rid of the directional light. We're going to get rid of the fog. We're going to get rid of the sky atmosphere. I'm just hitting delete. Skylight, delete, delete, delete. So we don't have anything, but then we can't really see. So we just have to come up here and go to unlit. And then we can see, still see our scene a little bit there. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to go back to the content level here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to create a material, and it can just be called new material. And what we're going to do is I'm going to press 4 on the keyboard and click, left click, and then I can have a color. I won't put that in just yet. And then I'm going to get a multiply node, and we'll get that. And to start this off, we'll start kind of high. I'll just set this to 10. Then we're going to put this into here and put this into emissive color. And just think of that as luminosity or glow, I guess. And then we can hit apply and save, and we're going to need a color other than black here. So let's go find the cool color. Let's do blue this time. And we'll just go OK. And that'll be our color. And so we'll go apply and save. And I can just dock this up here. Then we'll click back in. So now what we'll do is we'll click on our sphere object here. Make sure it's set to static. And then you see it's got this base material on there. We're going to just drag this on there. Oh, I thought we dragged it on there. There we go, our new material. And let's see, I'm going to look for something called static now, search, And you see here under light mask settings where it says use emissive for static lighting, we want to check that on. Now if I click on this one, we'll do the same thing. I have to get rid of this out. I'll go ahead and set its use emissive for static lighting on as well. I'll get rid of this out of the search bar because it filters my results. And then we just have to put this material on there as well. I don't know why it doesn't go the first time. That's weird. And we should have our two settings. So now we don't have to build lighting or anything, and we'll go play and look at this. How trippy is that? The lighting on here is just really something. And that's how you get started with these emissive materials. They're just really amazing. And you can print F11 to see the whole thing. But yeah, that is just super cool. It's just a super cool lighting effect. It kind of works by itself to light an environment. And it would be good for neon signs and kind of high-tech futuristic environments. So anyway, that's all I had for today. I will show you one other thing I noticed. If I escape out of here and I'll get off of F11, let me hit play again and to see if I can go back in. Yep. Sometimes I've had issues with the characters unloading, so then you just have to go, if that happens to you, you just have to go into world settings and then enable and re-enable streaming over here. I have some other videos about that, but it wasn't an issue here, so hopefully it won't be an issue for you. Anyway, that's all I had for today, so take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.